Place northeast.
12524 208 Place, Northeast. Dates February 9th, 2021. I'm going from the, I believe it's a city storm drain, whole county storm drain, upstream towards the property here. I got about, like you can see, about 30 some feet up there, and I hit some sort of a block at that point and can't get past it. I'm not sure what that is, but unable to get the camera any farther than that. They come back from that point. We've got a post driven through the pipe here. We'll get a quick locate on that.
That's all the trees they have taken down and acre
That's where that pipe is? Huh.
I don't know what that, it's almost like a stake that was driven down through. I've seen it for concrete stair pours, stuff like that, but it's a bit of a mystery.
Metal pipe is the way you see it here, huh? It's got a metal pipe. See that pipe coming right through the, right there, right through.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Is that coming through the pipe?
Yeah.
Pipe going
It's
up,
right
the
where he
green
marked
pipe?
right where he marked the white square.
How strange. It's an orange
Because
pipe.
that's, what'd you say, that's like 9 feet deep there?
Yeah, 8 feet.
So it's not like a utility.
So,
Not that I can tell,
you
but
know what could be going on?
That pipe goes
That white tube kind of crossing through the green, it's got that cut slit, which looks to me is designed to let water pour back into this. Is if there was any kind of material blockage on the back side of that,
yeah.
that would be enough to just chug that up.
Yep. I mean, it's now recording from a downspout here at the southwest corner of the home. 20 feet out or so. They come back from this point and get a look. So right now the camera's sitting totally vertical right there. You see, like dripping off the edge. And it's dropping into a T that I can't get past. So as far as I can get that camera down from here. See where you drop it into a T there, and then it goes straight down, and then hits another T where it starts going over. This is that black, some kind of a thinner walled black PVC pipe.
Yeah, so everything dives pretty deep.
Yeah, it's about 5.5, 6 feet right there.
Right here?
Yeah, that's where I'm located, this spot.
Oh, that's so you got the camera over here and it dives deep.
Yep.
Okay, that makes sense.
track where we're at here before we get too far away.
Oh, so it just went back that way?
Yeah, wrapping around. Yeah, so it's wrapping this way. And then it must start kicking down the hill at some point here.
Don't you think it would, it just hit a Y and went that way instead of this way, maybe?
Couldn't see anything, it's all underwater.
Sure. That underwater, is that like just organic crap?
Yeah. It's not,
Looks like that red bloomy kind of stuff.
looks like it's functioning though. I mean, it's not totally full of water.
Well,
It's leaking somewhere
right
in the
there.
house.
I think it's finding the lowest spot and going back into the crawl space drain.
No, it's not headed for the stream.
Over here.
Because all this looks intact. I mean, it's, I can't tell if I'm going the wrong direction though.
See, I don't even know if this guy's either.
All right, we're now recording from What are we calling this downspout?
South porch.
South porch downspout coming back. I got about 70 feet out.
This is west.
The video's for you guys, so you'll know what it's
Oh,
referring
okay.
to. We're completely underwater for this entire stretch of pipe through here, but I do have the direction.
Oh, really?
Try this one over here.
Do you want to even borrow? It's all right.
Oh, I'm coming back up.
Huh?
Coming back up one of those other ones, or something coming up somewhere.
Oh.